In the previous video, we were working with the different ways to shape and curve your background images. So real quick, we left off with curving each corner differently. The last thing we're going to do is make it where you can do waves in between each pixel, or each corner to corner. So for this, we're going to need to erase these border top left radius, border top right radius, blah blah blah. We're going to change it. We're going to still use those same four, but we're going to add curve numbers in there as well. So we're going to do border top left radius. So we're going to make each end curve 40 pixels, but then we're also going to give some wave in there. So I'm going to do 40 pixel, and then afterward I'm going to type in 20 pixels. So that's how far it will go in. I'm going to repeat for the top right radius, 40 pixel, 20 pixel. For the border bottom left, I'm actually going to go ahead, set that in as 60, and have it curve out at 30. And same with the bottom right radius. Curve out at 6. Well, we know what, we'll save it at 50 and 25 pixels. Once again, it will not work in preview mode in this version of Expression, but when we go to the browser, you can see how it chops it off a little bit. So what we wanted to see happen here, though, was a little bit more curvature. I may have the border a little too thick for it, and it may also have to be the exact inverse of the numbers. So let's try that. Let's try changing this to 20, change this to 40, change this to 20, change this to 40, where it may stand out a little bit better then for a wave effect. And it did not. So let's skinny up the border a little bit, see if that makes a difference. Change it to 10. Yeah. So now you're able to see that as it goes down, it does have a little bit more of a wave into it. It's not a perfect wave, but it does give it a little bit more of an artsy feel, as you can see. It just kind of goes around and has a little bit of a skinnier stroke. That's pretty much what we were looking for there. It's just a little bit more of an artsy feel here. That's how we work with the different kind of border radiuses to make our borders stand out better.